Life is short, and Steve Jobs knew this well. He once said, "Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life." That means we should follow our own dreams, not just what others expect from us. Steve also believed that passion leads to success. He said the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If we want to be successful, we must find work that excites us. But life is not forever. Steve understood this deeply. He said, "Remembering that you are going to die is the best way I know to avoid the trap of thinking you have something to lose." Death reminds us to take risks, chase dreams, and not be afraid. He also believed that death is not the end, but a part of life. He said, "Death is very likely the single best invention of life. It clears out the old to make way for the new." This means we should use our time wisely and leave something meaningful behind. So, let's live fully. Work with passion and never fear failure. As Steve Jobs said, stay hungry, stay foolish. Keep learning, keep dreaming, and make your mark on the world. If you believe in living with purpose and chasing your dreams, like and subscribe now. Let's grow, achieve, and inspire together.